Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be having a look at dumping a game via the Dreamcast and the broadband adapter. You'll notice I've got an Ethernet cable going in the back of this one, but it's just a stock standard Dreamcast, nothing special about it at all. These discs are affectionately known as silvers. I've got 4 of them. They should contain code identical to the final release, but, you know, just for the sake of being sure, I'm going to check them. So to do that, I need to dump them first. So these should boot like normal games. If you've got a beta on a GDR, for example, you'll need the System 2 disc, which does some things to let it run, but this should be the final code, so it will run on a stock standard Dreamcast, or one that's been modded if you were so inclined. So to do that, we need a little bit of software. Oh, voice is breaking. There we go. We need that. We also need something to configure the broadband adapter, because the Dreamcast stores some information in its flash, I've learnt. So the information it stores is how to connect to the network. It doesn't do this automatically, it's not DHCP by default. No, you've got to go in and configure some settings in either Broadband Passport or Dream Passport 3, I believe it is, off the top of my head. Actually, that's probably just finishing burning now. So we'll be using that and that. So first of all, let's go ahead and get the Dream Passport out of the burner and into the game system. The Dreamcast. Alright, so we've got the disc there, Dream Passport 3. This one is called Urban Style for some reason, I don't know why. There's my laser about to explode in my Dreamcast. It does have a little bit of trouble reading. Means I should probably adjust the trim pot just a little bit to give it a little bit more life, and then look into something that can actually work like a SIO off an SD card. That would be nice. Let's go broadband thing, passport. So I guess while we're in here, we can also check out lo-fi.mcretro.net. Oh god, everything's in Japanese. Ah, oh yeah, Urban Style. So it is. Oh, I don't know what these are. I'm going to say settings. Settings is usually... No, it looks like I've picked browse. How do I control this? Alright, so the analog stick is that. Is that the address bar? I don't know what that is. How do I enter something? What do I just do? Is that help? Maybe that's help. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Just try it again. We'll go with this one this time. Okay. Oh, it's talking to me in Japanese. Which one's yes? What's yes in Japanese? Hi. Hi. What's no? Okie dokie. Sure. Oh, okay, it's that one again. Let's pick the other one. Okay, the other one is definitely something, so we'll try the second one. Makes a strange doing noise, and oh, this could take a while. Gotta remember, I do not know what I'm doing. I should have really seen if there was an English version. And if I had to guess, this looks like it would be some sort of email client, perhaps. Of course, I'm absolutely guessing because I have no idea. What's this one do? Oh, it's this one. Okay. That looks like settings. Oh, God. English. Oh. Sugoi! Still don't know what any of this says. Oh, I am so lost in the dream passport. So lost in the web money, that's what I want. What's this one? Good. Alright, don't know where I am. That was a good noise. That's a bad noise. It's a happy noise. Whoa, what have I done? Undo that. Oh God. Oh God, oh God, oh God. Is it that one? It's not working anymore. Oh. Okay, so that's that one. That looks like settings. What does it want? Do I even have a memory card? I don't think I have a VMU for the Dreamcast. How do I get out of here? Trapped. All these buttons and nothing to do. Alright, that's good. Alright, so that one must be back, so it's got a... It's like a toe with two things above it. And a squiggly looking 3. Alright. And it's highlighted in white, which makes it a lot easier to find. Man, it would be a lot easier if I knew any Japanese. What is that asking? What it has months and dates, maybe numbers. I have a feeling it's in here somewhere. I remember doing this in the past and setting something up. It mustn't have been this. Ooh. Oh, scrapper. Dreamcast! What's happening? I don't even know what it's... The elevator music is nice though. I don't know how to get out. Dreamcast. Okay, I'm going to go look up a guide. I think that's probably the best thing to do at this point. Hold tight.